Imagine this. It's late evening. You've been working all day, staring at your phone, laptop, or maybe even driving long hours. Slowly your eyes begin to feel heavy. The words on the screen aren't as sharp anymore. You rub your eyes thinking it will help, but the blur remains. At night, you step outside, and suddenly, headlights from passing cars look like scattered stars. The glare is so strong you squint, blink, and hope you can see the road clearly. Or maybe it's something even simpler, like reading your favorite book or helping your child with homework. The letters feel harder to focus on, and you notice yourself bringing the paper closer, then farther, trying to get clarity. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Millions of people are silently struggling with tired, strained, and weakening eyesight every single day. Our modern lifestyle, screens, lack of sleep, poor diet, is putting more pressure on our eyes than ever before. And here's the thing. We often try quick fixes. A few eye drops, closing our eyes for a minute, or just pushing through the discomfort. But these are like band-aids. They give temporary relief but don't solve the root cause. What our eyes truly need is proper nourishment. Just like our skin needs care, our hair needs oiling, and our body needs exercise, our eyes too demand attention. The good news is, nature has already provided us with powerful nutrients that directly support eye health. And today, I'm going to share a simple, delicious juice recipe that brings these nutrients together in one glass. The Carrot Orange Vision Booster Juice. Not only will this drink refresh your body, but it will also give your eyes the exact support they need to stay healthy, sharp, and comfortable. Now, before we make the juice, let me explain why each ingredient is carefully chosen. Because when you know why you're drinking it, the trust builds, and you'll stay motivated to make it a habit. Ingredient number 1. Carrots. Let's start with the star of eye health, carrots. You've probably heard since childhood, eat carrots, they're good for your eyes. And it's true. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, which our body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for the retina, the part of our eye that captures light and helps us see, especially at night. When our body doesn't get enough vitamin A, we start experiencing night blindness, dryness, and even higher chances of eye infections. So in this juice, we'll add 2 medium carrots. That's enough to give your body a strong dose of natural vitamin A. Think of it as fuel for your night vision, keeping your eyes sharp even in low light. Ingredient number 2. Oranges. Next, let's bring in some brightness with an orange. Oranges are famous for their vitamin C, but do you know why that's important for your eyes? Vitamin C protects the lens of your eye from clouding, something that eventually leads to cataracts. It also fights free radicals, those tiny unstable molecules that damage your eye cells slowly over time. In simple words, vitamin C is like a shield, guarding your eyes from aging too fast. And the best part? It also supports the tiny blood vessels in your retina, keeping them healthy and strong. We'll use 1 large orange in this recipe. Sweet, tangy, and full of eye-protecting antioxidants. Ingredient number 3. Ginger. Now, here's something unique. Most people don't think of ginger when it comes to eyes, but let me explain why it's here. When you spend long hours on screens, blood circulation around your eyes becomes sluggish. That's why your eyes feel heavy, dull, and tired. Ginger helps improve blood flow, meaning fresh oxygen and nutrients reach your eye tissues better. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which calm down irritation and strain. So we'll add a small piece of ginger, about ½ inch. Not too much, just enough to give a mild kick and big benefits. Ingredient number 4. Lemon. And finally, to bring everything together, lemon. Just half a lemon squeezed into this juice will double the vitamin C content. It works hand in hand with the orange, giving that extra antioxidant punch. Lemon also adds a refreshing flavor, making the juice lighter and easier to enjoy. Together, lemon and orange become a powerful defense system for your eyes. Now here's the beauty of this recipe. It's not just random ingredients thrown together. Each one plays a role. Carrots supply vitamin A to the retina. Oranges and lemon protect the eye from oxidative damage and keep the lens clear. Ginger improves circulation, so all these nutrients actually reach your eyes effectively. It's like building a strong team. Each player has their role, but together they win the match. So let's prepare it. Wash and chop 2 medium carrots. Peel and separate 1 large orange. Add a 1/2-inch piece of ginger. Squeeze in half a lemon. Blend everything with 1 glass of water. Pour it into a glass, and your carrot orange vision booster juice is ready. Simple, natural, and loaded with eye care in every sip. Now you may be wondering, how often should you drink this? Take 1 glass in the morning, 3 to 4 times a week. That's enough to give your eyes regular nourishment without overloading your system. Stick with it for a few weeks, and you'll start noticing subtle changes. Less dryness, reduced heaviness, and a clearer, fresher feeling in your vision. Remember, one juice won't magically fix everything overnight. But when combined with good habits, like reducing screen time, blinking more often, wearing sunglasses in harsh sunlight, and getting proper sleep, this juice becomes a powerful ally in protecting your vision long-term. Our eyes are the windows through which we experience life. Colors, faces, moments, memories. Yet we often take them for granted, only paying attention when problems begin. By giving them natural nourishment through this juice, you're not just treating symptoms, you're protecting your sight for the future. So, make it a part of your routine. A simple glass, 3 to 4 times a week, and your eyes will thank you. Before we wrap up, here's something very important to remember. This carrot orange vision booster juice, and the other natural remedies we share on this channel, are meant to support healthy eyes. They provide nutrition, antioxidants, and circulation benefits that can keep your vision comfortable and strong. But please understand, they are not a treatment or cure for serious eye conditions like cataract, glaucoma, macular degeneration, or retinal diseases. Think of these juices as preventive nutrition and lifestyle support, not as a replacement for medical care. If you already have an eye condition, or notice sudden changes in your vision, you must visit your eye doctor. Regular professional checkups and follow-ups are essential for protecting your sight. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who also spend long hours on screens, and subscribe for more natural tips for healthy eyes. And in the comments, tell me, which part of the day do your eyes feel the most tired? I'd love to hear from you.